My name is Joy and I'll be introducing a fun activity inspired by contemporary art from the Singapore Art Museum or SAM. Today I'm going to show you how to make a print and a printmaking technique called relief printing using foam. Relief printing is a simple process that allows one to cut or make marks on a surface so that what remains is the design that will be printed. But before we begin our art making, I want you to join me in an art hunt. We're going on a hunt for colors and shapes. Let's look at this artwork by artist Vicente Delgado. The artwork is called We Are Family from the Learning Gallery at SAM. What do you see? If you say you see colors such as green, blue, red, and yellow, yes, you are very observant. We can also see shapes that are very different from squares, circles, or triangles, and we call them organic shapes. Organic shapes are shapes made up of curvy lines. What are some organic shapes you can think of in nature? Now, let's move on to the relief printing activity inspired by Vicente Delgado's artwork. You will need the following materials: foam sheet, cardboard, a piece of foil for your paint palette, drawing paper, tempera paint, paintbrush, washable markers, black marker, pencil, glue stick, spoon, and a pair of scissors. First, draw an organic shape with a pencil onto a piece of paper. Your shape can be around the size of your hand. Remember to press hard with a pencil as your shape must be dark. Next, let's transfer your shape onto the craft foam. Flip your drawing around and place it on the foam. Rub the back of the paper with a spoon. Make sure you can see the line clearly on the foam. Try to redraw your shape if it is too small or light. Now, cut your shape out. Put glue on the foam shape and stick it onto the cardboard base. Let your foam stem dry for at least 15 to 20 minutes before the next step. Coat the foam stem with color using the washable markers. Alternatively, you can apply a very thin layer of tempera paint with a paintbrush. Press the stem firmly and evenly onto a piece of paper and carefully pull it away. Then, leave the prints to dry completely. This may take about 20 minutes or more. You can speed this up by using a hairdryer to blow dry it. Once the prints have dried, cut them out. Arrange your cutout prints on a sheet of drawing paper. When you are happy with how the shapes are placed, stick them down with a glue stick. Use the black marker to transform the prints into quirky animals. You can also use the marker to draw the weather. My animals are out on a rainy day. You now have your very own masterpiece inspired by the organic shapes found in Vicente Delgado's artwork. Now it's your turn to try this out. Enjoy the art making process. But before you go, remember to like this video and subscribe to SAM. Goodbye!